Hello students, so today we are going to learn how to cite things electronically. So here I have just an article from NASA. I am going to copy and paste the link to this website right here, easybib.com. Okay, I'm just gonna, it says website here. I am going to paste or Control V the link. I'm going to click cite it. It's going to look for the information, and there it is. Okay, so it was able to pull all this information for me, and I need to double check. Okay, they tell me what they found. It's from NASA, the title, the date it was published, today's date, and the author. So I can come in here. I check that the title is the same, the date it was published, and then in this particular article here, you have Rob Garner as the editor. Okay, so I checked all that. Of course, you do it a little bit more slowly than I did. I just don't want to go too slow because I don't want to make this video too long. And we click continue to final step. It may require me to see an ad. In this case, it didn't. I just go through and make sure that all the information is correct. If the article has more than one author, which in this case it does, I can add another contributor here, or I can delete this. And I can put Rob Garner as the editor because that's what was included there in the web page, and I click create citation, and it's going to ask me to see an ad. You can look at the ad, and then at the end it will give you the citation, and then you just copy and paste it to the document that you will be turning in, and that's pretty much it.